Okay, so in this lecture, I'm going to be talking about defining passive income, because a great way to actually start this course is to actually lay out what passive income is, because a lot of people have different perspectives as to what passive income is. So in this lecture, I'm going to be talking about what it is and what I feel passive income is and how I can actually help you achieve that passive income. So what is passive income and why is it so attractive? Passive income. So the first thing that comes to mind when students hear passive income, and even when I hear passive income, is an ideal scenario where the person is on the beach, just relaxing, and pretty much just enjoying his day, making money on the internet. And I can assure you that that is correct to a certain extent, because what that picture pretty much lays out, that you can make money online with no effort at all, which is not entirely true, because once you have your passive income set up, you don't really need to actually contact anyone through your laptop while you're on the beach. And it's just a very messed up picture, and it paints a wrong ideal in the minds of students and in the mind of people that actually try and create passive income. So although that scenario is true, but it's very unlikely, and it's not really what you want to be chasing when looking for passive income. So what really is passive income? Passive income is pretty much just receiving money on a monthly, weekly, or even yearly basis with little to no effort. And that's exactly what passive income does for a lot of students that have their passive income set up correctly. But one thing that a lot of people miss out when trying to set up their passive income is the fact that there is a lot of initial work, and in some cases there's a lot of initial money required when starting to build up passive income and trying to have a system set in place. Now, a lot of times getting passive income requires either one of those, and sometimes actually requires both. But the truth is, it does require either hard work or initial money. But once you actually invested that initial hard work, then you can actually reliably get passive income coming on a monthly basis with little to no effort. And the key is little to no effort. So there is effort required, but not as much as you're receiving or the initial amount of work that you had put in to actually set that up. Now, technology in 2018 or even 2017 and possibly even 2019, technology actually helps us create passive income. Now, there's lots of platforms out there that with the use of these platforms, you can actually easily create passive income. Whereas before all this new technology, it would actually be very hard to create passive income because we never had these tools and resources in the first place. And one of the biggest tools being technology and the use of the internet. Examples of this is Airbnb. Now you can actually set up your room for rent on Airbnb for short-term rental. So if you do have an extra room laying around in the house, you can use the app Airbnb to start receiving passive income. Now I'll talk more about this in the course and how you can actually get that set up. So with the use of technology, it's actually a lot easier to create passive income, whereas before it would have been a lot harder. So let me just sum up passive income. What passive income really is you're really just putting a lot of initial work and money into some sort of system, and then in the future this system will continually pay you with little to no effort. So that's pretty much the whole concept behind passive income, and I'll be showing you exactly how you can do that in this course. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.